if you want to examine myenteric or our back plexus, you can use any section of your GIT or small intestine. And then, such as this one, in this case, we have again your duodenum, and just focus on the muscle tissue layers in this area. Okay, and try to look for different looking nervous tissue in between layers of muscle tissue here. So this will be your muscle tissue and another muscle tissue, and in between them, you can see the presence of your nervous tissue. So these nervous tissue here are composed of neurons here and axons as well as axons. So depending on where it is cut, then you can probably see cross section of axons here and here, and then sometimes maybe you can see um, cell bodies of the actual neurons here, here, and here. So these neurons can either be interneuron, motor, and sensory type of neuron based on their function. And based on their structure, they are most probably your multipolar type of neurons. Okay? So again, you can clearly see the difference between your muscle tissue here, which is in cross-section orientation, and your smooth muscle tissue here, which is in longitudinal section, and your nervous tissue in between, which is most probably in cross-section view as well. Again, this is your nervous tissue, specifically your myenteric or our back plexus, in between your smooth muscle cells in your tubular organs.